Today, Bitcoin sits at 25.7k, but will the bears defeat the bulls in the upcoming month? Let's find out together. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, get yourself down below to the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord. The link is now fully working, so make sure you do click it, say hi, see you there. There's over 17,000 lovely members here, so I can't wait to hear from you guys. And let's talk about what's going on. So 25.7k for Bitcoin last 7 days has been pure consolidation across a very sensitive support level. We could indeed see Bitcoin lose its $500 billion total market capitalization. Also, 1 trillion could actually get broken for the global market capital here for Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. So we're talking all altcoins, everything crypto. 1.04 trillion is the overall valuation. We could see $1 trillion. Unfortunately, we could lose that level again. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but Bitcoin risks 15% dip by October. Maybe it could, but 100k is due in 2026. Well, I think that is actually a good title. I think 2026, we could be looking at $100,000 plus, maybe even in 2025. Bitcoin falling back to $25,000 would mark its last big dip before the next Bitcoin price bull run. What do you think about that? Says Cane Island's Timothy Peterson. Well, I think it's quite pragmatic. I think it's like a 50-50 right now. Like, are we going to see Bitcoin drop below 25k? It's very possible. Well, Bitcoin can easily end up below $25,000 next month, says one long-time market observer. In a new Bitcoin price outlook, Timothy Peterson, founder and investment manager at Cane Island Alternative Advisors, put the odds of a dip to local lows at 50-50. So we could potentially see Bitcoin go down below $25,000 here. Bitcoin bulls continue their breakout attempts above $30,000, but we do get that rejection at 31.8k over and over again. So the bears are kind of in control at the moment, which isn't really a good thing. They are quoting, quote unquote over here, guys. It says right here, there is a 50% chance that Bitcoin will drop below $25,000 before the end of September. And looking at our little heat map here for Bitcoin monthly returns. Well, September is just a shit month. Look at it. It's a really crap month. It's always red. It's always just negative most of the time. Almost every time, actually. It's 100% a negative month. August, you get a few greens. October usually looks really good, so we'd expect a nice flippish U-turn in the markets by then. But this is why we've really got like a mixed opinion here. We've got mixed emotions. No kind of straight up technical analysis can say where the markets are going right now. Overall, Bitcoin is sitting at a very sensitive level. It's in a support threshold between these key buying areas of 25.3k and 26.1k. Note how every time it drops to here, which is around 25.3k, we keep getting these massive buybacks 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this could be a good buy order, but unfortunately, the more times you do retest the support level, the more likely you are to actually break through, down, and below that support level. If we do lose this support, we can make some negative headway towards 24.8k. So that is the bearish scenario here. 24.8k, lose another $1,000. If we move to the daily time frame, we can move lower. We could even break that 24.7 and come back down to 21.4k. That's very, very possible. I don't think we will see 16 to 18 to 20k again. Personally, I think that was the bottom indicated by a very bad black swan event, you know, like the FTX crisis, all that other rubbish that we had earlier this year. And I don't think we'll see 16k again. I mean, we had Luna, we had FTX last year in 2022, which really did create the most fear upon fear that you could possibly see in a market, and that's why we got that. So unless we see those extreme fear conditions again, I don't think we'll see those lows. But yeah, 21k could certainly happen. So 21k is my bearish prediction for Bitcoin, that we might lose this 24k level and get a big drop to the downside on the bearish side of things, guys. Don't want to be that annoying bear, but you know, it might not happen. We've got to be optimistic too. We've got to look at the bullish scenario. It might not happen. We might actually get a retest, a breakout here, retest the 27.2 level. But where the bulls are really struggling at the moment is quite clearly up here, where we've got this 31.3k level. So $30,000 is a big trajectory right now. It's a big target, but it's also a massive resistance level. Bitcoin rainbow chart, where are we from an accumulation point of view? We're still in the buy zone. So people buying Bitcoin right now, probably not the worst decision you could make. Remember, you're not going to time the bottom of these market cycles. It's just really impossible to do. Top 100 Bitcoin rich list. So what is the money doing right now? What is the general flow of money? We can see Bitcoin distribution, but we can also see the history. So over the last month, it looks like consumer behavior. Wallet holders between 1 to 10 was sitting at 855k. Today it's sitting at 860k. So we're up 5,000 wallets holding over 1 Bitcoin. Wallets holding between 10 to 100 Bitcoin was at 140k. Today they are at 141.2k. So again, we've seen an increase there. So we are getting more accumulation. We're seeing more money go into Bitcoin itself. That's why Bitcoin has a really strong market dominance right now of around 50% of globalized market capital. And we'll probably continue to see this trajectory. Overall, it looks like the 100 plus Bitcoin, holders, the amount of unique addresses, it's similar. But yeah, right now, the normal people, the normal guys, people that are just normal people. I'm not talking about like big millionaires or billionaires. Even though 10 Bitcoin, you probably got to be pretty rich to, have that much. Yeah. But overall, just looks like, the flow of money is good right now. So things are looking okay. Fear, we are in a bit of a fearful market, not extreme fear, but just a little bit of fear. But we always need a bit of fear to then get back to those bullish moments. So guys, just want to do that Bitcoin price prediction. I think it's good to do that every now and then to really sort of just refamiliarize ourselves with the key barometer of the market, which is Bitcoin itself, the OG right there. So please do subscribe to the channel if you'd like this sort of content. Remember, I do have a Patreon down below as well. 180 posts I've done so far, 457 members. If you want to become a Patreon member, become a crypto legend, there's only 5 slots remaining, or a crypto champion, 2 slots remaining for this one, where you're going to get a bunch of signals and other benefits, as you can see right here. Click down below for the Patreon link where you can join the Discord on a premium level, where we unlock a bunch of different channels. For example, we've got some great traders here, Sherlock being one of the best in the business. He is in our Discord, and you will get access to his calls, as well as many other traders on the left hand side. So that's what we're providing, a really, really cool crypto Discord. Yeah, thanks for being here, guys. It's gonna be a couple of days until you see a video from me again. I'm going away for a bit. Well, I think I'm not 100% sure yet. Bit of a jet setter recently. Don't usually do that, but yeah, overall, check out Discord, subscribe to this channel. See you soon, and comment down below what you think is going to happen to Bitcoin. I'd love to hear your opinion. See you.